Water doesn't resist. The water flows. When you immerse your hand in it, all you feel is its caress. Water is not a solid wall. It won't stop you. But the water always gets where it wants to go, and nothing can oppose it. The water is patient. The dripping of water wears out a stone. Remember it, my daughter. Remember that you are half water. You can't cross an obstacle, turn it over. The water does it. Margaret Atwood.
All right, so these are an art exhibition called Mitad Agua right here. It's called Mitad Agua. Who is it by, Drew?
This is the water. This is Margaret.
No, that, I'm talking about that. This. Miranda who? Miranda Quiñones. Look, this is a little baby sleeping in the water. It's hard to see it. It's poorly lit over here. For some reason, the lights aren't on. Hit that light switch. Here is the water flowing. And here is a girl in the water. I imagine these are done with watercolors. And this is the exposition. It's gorgeous. I really love this one. This is my favorite. Look at how the colors are running. It's beautiful. And then here's this one. And then there's a whole bunch of information over here about this art. Fernanda Quiñones. And it's talking about natural habitats and mangroves. And then they have this exposition over here as well. This one is the exposition on
Water reeds.
water reeds, okay. So all of them is about water. And it's done out of wicker or rattan. And it's supposed to symbolize the mangroves. Best that we can get from it. And we are at the museum. It's a government building in Jalisco, Mexico, Guadalajara. And here's the lovely patio area. And as you can see, it's called Mitad Agua. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos from this museum.